Your ISP router has one job, and it barely does it. It has no real firewall rules, no traffic visibility, and zero control over what enters or leaves your network. pfSense changes all of that. In the next 10 minutes, you will have a fully configured pfSense firewall running from scratch. WAN interface, LAN interface, firewall rules, and hardened settings. This works whether you are building a home lab, studying for CompTIA, or setting up a small business network. Let us get into it. pfSense is an open-source firewall and router platform built on FreeBSD. It is free to download. It runs on old hardware, and it is used by businesses, universities, and government departments worldwide, including right here in South Africa. Here is why this matters for you specifically. If you are studying CompTIA Network Plus or Security Plus, understanding firewall concepts is not optional. It is tested, and pfSense gives you a real, hands-on environment to practice those concepts, not just read about them. If you are a junior sysadmin, knowing pfSense puts you ahead of candidates who only know consumer routers. It shows initiative. It shows lab work. And if you are a home labber, pfSense turns any old PC or virtual machine into an enterprise-grade network controller. pfSense can handle stateful packet inspection, VLAN segmentation, VPN tunnels, traffic shaping, DNS filtering, and much more. We will not cover everything in one video, but today you will walk away with a solid, working foundation. Think of pfSense sitting between your internet connection and your internal network. Everything flows through it. You decide what passes and what gets blocked. That is the power of a real firewall. Step 1. Download pfSense. Go to pfSense.org and navigate to the Downloads section. You want the Community Edition. That is the free version. Select your architecture. For most modern machines, choose AMD 64. Choose your installer type. The ISO image works for bare metal installs and virtual machines. Download and save the file. It is roughly 800 megabytes. If you are running this in a virtual machine, which is perfect for a home lab, create a new VM with at least 1 GB of RAM and 2 network adapters. One for WAN, one for LAN. Step 2. Boot and install. Boot your machine or VM from the pfSense ISO. Accept the copyright notice. Select Install. Choose the default key map. Select Auto ZFS for your disk partitioning. This is the recommended option. Confirm the disk selection and let the installer run. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. When it finishes, remove the installation media and reboot. Step 3.